In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Google Calendar. Whether you're traveling, just moved to a new city, or working with colleagues across different regions, updating your time zone in Google Calendar is crucial for keeping track of your appointments and events accurately. So let's get started and ensure you never miss a meeting due to time zone mix-ups again. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate to your Google Calendar. You can do this by typing calendar.google.com into the address bar, or perhaps you have a shortcut ready on your bookmarks bar, whatever's easiest for you. Once you're on the Google Calendar homepage, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You're looking for the cog icon, which symbolizes the settings options. It's pretty standard for Google applications, so it might already feel familiar if you use other Google services. Click on that cog icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. It's the place where you'll find all the tools you need to customize your calendar to perfectly suit your needs. Once you're in the Settings menu, look to the left-hand side. You'll notice a list of options. Go ahead and find the one labeled Time Zone and click on it. It's right there waiting for you, easy to spot. Now, in the primary time zone section on this page, there's a drop-down arrow next to the currently set time zone. Click this arrow and you'll be presented with a list of available time zones. Scroll through the list and select the time zone that corresponds to your current location or the one you need for coordinating with different people or regions. If after selecting you'd like to personalize the label associated with this time zone, you have the option to change the label name as well. This can be especially helpful if you switch between time zones frequently, as it adds a layer of customization and clarity. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the time zone in your Google Calendar. This update is pivotal for ensuring that all your scheduled events sync correctly with your actual time, eliminating any unwanted confusion. Before we wrap up, just a quick reminder that changing your time zone is effective for new events you create moving forward. However, if you find any events already on your calendar set at the wrong time, you might need to adjust them manually. So keep an eye on your schedule and make sure everything aligns how you want it to. Thanks for tuning in today, and we hope this guide helped streamline your scheduling process. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. Happy planning!